Super excited to be here to talk to you today about happiness boosters, the positive psychology, the science of happiness. Life hits us with a lot of hard emotional things. It's true for our teens today, all of those things, and guess what? It's true for us too, though, isn't it? How many of you have ever felt excluded? How many of you have ever looked at Facebook posts and thought, why is everyone else happier than I am? Positive psychology gives us some tools that help us out of those emotions and get through them. Think about 3 good things that have happened to you in the last 24 hours. So every night before I go to bed, I have a journal and I write down 3 good things. And you know what happens? You can't stop at 3. Once you start really noticing and looking for any good things, you're going to find you're writing 5, oh yeah, and then this happened. Think about, where can I use this? Again, is this something I can institute in my classroom? Is it something I want to do at the dinner table with my family? So instead of saying, how was your day? You're asking, what are 3 good things that happened to you today at school? Or with your partner, first time you see them after a long day, tell me 3 good things that happened today. And see how that changes the tone. You've probably all heard of mindfulness. It's a moment-to-moment awareness of your thoughts and your feelings right now. I want you to think about right now your body. How are you sitting? Are you folding your arms? Are your legs crossed? Are you slumped over? How we hold our bodies makes a difference in our energy level, our confidence level, and if you do a power pose, which we're going to have a chance to do some today, if you do a power pose for 2 minutes before an important event, you will be more likely to do well at that event. You know how we always say, oh, how are you? Good, right? We don't really want to hear the answer a lot of times, but thinking about once in a while saying, how are you? Good. How are you really? How are you really? And give people a chance to be heard, to be listened to. Struggling souls catch light from other souls who are fully lit and willing to show it. That's you, right? You are the ones that are lit up every day, asked to be lit up every day so that your students and the people around you can also be lit up.